Dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. Now we will tell how the Ka'b bin Ashraf, a poet, was killed by the Muhammad by cheating or by deceiving. Ka'b bin al-Ashraf was a Jew that belonged to the subsection of the Naban, but his mother belonged to the Banu al-Nadir. The Prophet Muhammad, so called a goon of the Islam, established a political treaty with the Jews of Medina after filling the city of Mecca due to the his lies, greatest lies. Persecution रुक जा यार वेटरनरी के बच्चे वाह ये तो काब बिन अशरफ क्या करता था। अरे भाई कहाँ गया वो, पूरा इसका जन्म वनम तो बता दूं मैं। तो ये काब बिन अशरफ था। भैया इसको विकिपीडिया से आपको बता देते हैं। इसको कत्ल करवाया इन्होंने हिंदी में। हाँ जी। तो काब बिन अशरफ वाज अकॉर्डिंग टू इस्लामिक टेक्सिस ए प्री इस्लामिक अरेबिक पोएट एंड कंटेम्प्रेरी ऑफ मोहम्मद इन मदीना। Scholar identified him as a Jewish leader, but he was a poet. Kaab was born to the father from the Arab Taiya tribe and the mother was the Jewish Banu Nadir tribe. His father having died early, Kaab was brought up in his mother's family and in her faith. He was recognized as belonging to his mother's tribe, in which he was one of the leading men. He was a rich person. The order to kill Kaab is mentioned in numerous hadiths. Muhammad made it clear to his companions that he wished Kaab dealt with, saying, "Who is willing to deal the Kaab bin al-Ashraf, who was irritated Allah and his messenger?" Muhammad bin Maslama volunteered and was aided by several others, including Kaab foster brother Abu Nela. Ibn Maslama was troubled that his assassination would involve lying to Kaab, but Muhammad gave him a dispensation to do. Means Muhammad allowed to cheat Kaab bin Ashraf, and they cheated the Kaab bin Ashraf, saying that we are not with Muhammad, Prophet Muhammad, because Prophet Muhammad is a robber, killer, and the bad person. So Kaab bin Ashraf was pleased, and he allowed to enter these people in his palace. They took Kaab out for a walk late night and killed him. When these all the cheating men or the murderer sent by so-called Prophet Muhammad, who was a perfect murderer also, told these goons, Islamic goons, that go there and tell them that we are not with Muhammad. So they went to the palace of the Kaab bin Ashraf. They sniffed. They smelled his hair fragrance of the oil, and further, because Kaab bin Ashraf had long hairs, so they pretended that the fragrance of your hair oil is very good, very pleasant. Then we want to smell this further. He allowed, and these both Islamic goons or the murderer caught him from the hair and cut the head, and head was produced before the Muhammad. This was the goonism of the Prophet Muhammad. Many authors has ascribed harmful act mocking Muhammad because he was a poet and he was exposing the Muhammad that Muhammad is not a prophet, but he is a certified rapist, pedophile, and killer. According to Encyclopedia of the Islam, following the victory of the Muslim over the Quraysh in the Battle of Badr in March 624, Kaab was angry as the execution of the number of Meccan notables who had been captured after that battle. The Meccan notables who caused a lot of damage against the Muslims, according to some Islamic commentators. Muhammad called upon his followers to deal with Kaab because the latter has provoked the Quraysh against Muhammad. Quraysh, the fostering tribe of Muhammad, by bewailing Quraysh victims of the battle in a poem. Ibn Hisham, the authenticate biographer of Muhammad life in Sirat Rasulullah, stated that reports come as saying, by Allah, if Muhammad has indeed struck down those people, then it were better to be buried in the earth than to walk upon it. One sources state that the reason for killing of Ka'b was that he had plotted with a group of Jews to kill Muhammad. The writings of the later commentators such as Al-Jamakhshari, Al-Tabari, Al-Razi, Al-Badwi, and Al-Asqalani provide another distinct report according to which Ka'b was killed because Gabriel, that the third angel of the Islam, which is known as the Jibril in Islam, had informed that Muhammad about a treaty signed by himself and Abu Sufyan. Abu Sufyan, the brother of the Muhammad, cousin, creating an alliance between the Quraysh and 40 Jews against Muhammad during Ka'b visit to Mecca. According to Uri Rubin, some allusion to the existence of anti-Muslim treaty between Quraysh and Ibn al-Asraf may be found in the earlier sources. Many people also consider that Muhammad had no evidence that Ka'b was plotting to murder Muhammad or even tried to assassinate Muhammad. There was no plot of the murder of Muhammad by Ka'b bin Ashraf because Muhammad was the perpetrator of the cheating conspiracy. He was the greatest conspirator of this world against the human and social values. Many people also consider that Muhammad had no evidence that Ka'b was plotting to murder Muhammad or even try to assassinate Muhammad. Muhammad conducted no trial and had got him assassinated. On same account, Huyya bin Akhtab and of Banu Nadir tribe had earlier refused to pay blood money for the murder of 2 Muslims, and Abd Allah ibn Ubay had planned along with allied nomads to attack Muhammad. Muhammad besieged the Banu Nadir and ordered the tribe to leave Medina within 10 days. The tribe at first decided to comply, but certain people from Medina who were not believers offered to help Banu Nadir fight the Muslims. Huyya bin Akhtab, despite opposition from within the tribe, decided to fight a fight which ended with the surrender, although they were allowed to leave and take what possession they could carry on the camels, with the exception of their weapons which they have left to behind. So ये such type of Muhammad who always created nuisance and killed so many people. This is a list of the non-Muslim interactors with Muslims during Muhammad era in Islam. The Saba, Arabic companions, Sahaba hai, not Saba, with the companions of Islamic Prophet Muhammad. This form, plural, this singular is Sahabi. A list of best known companions can be found as a list of the companion of Muhammad. देखिए कहाँ गया भाई तुम. So we can say how the Muhammad killed every knowledgeable and intelligent person, and the same Muslim are doing. They are killing those people which are exposing the Islam Gunism, Islamic prophets robbery documentation, and this is why that all the non-Muslims are annoyed with the Islam and the Muslims. Because after reading the Quran, a Muslim is not a good person. He is certified a goon. He is certified a criminal because the Quranic verses provoked the Muslims to become a perfect criminal. Because the Prophet Muhammad was also a perfect criminal. This is why he was not happy with those people which are exposing the real character of Muhammad, that Muhammad is not a prophet, there is no Allah, and Muhammad is a self-proclaimed prophet. There was no evidence that Muhammad was a prophet because deeds of Muhammad was not such like a good even a ordinary person. The deeds of the Muhammad are totally criminal means Muhammad inventor of the criminology in the shape of the book which is known as the Quran. Those people of the Muslims are saying this Quran is a holy Quran, but all the non-Muslims, this book must be as unholy Quran, because this book allows the killing of the non-Muslims, rape with the non-Muslim women, looting the wealth of the non-Muslims, and this ideology was exposed by Ka'b bin Ashraf, a Jewish poet who was a reputed person at that time, and Muhammad was infamous throughout the world. At that time, until present, he is infamous. Muhammad is infamous due to his verdicts, due to his heinous crime, which he had committed his life. This is why a Kuwaiti prince, Muslim, adopted the Christianity, and the flow of the Islam now will be banned or restricted by the ex-Muslims, and exposing the Quran and Muhammad treacherousness against the human values and the civil society cause a setback to the Islam, a dent in the Islam, and the many peoples which are non-Muslims are knowing the real character of the Prophet Muhammad, and these Maulanas are the certified terrorists. They are escorting the character of Muhammad as a good person. My question to the all Muslims and the Islamic scholars: is a prophet can be a robber? Is a prophet can be a killer? Is a prophet can be a rapist? Is a prophet can be a mentor of the woman trafficking activities, as he sold many Jewish Banu Qurayza tribe women in the market of the Najd, a highland of Saudi Arabia, after killing the 700 to 800 Jews, after nagged them, and see the puberty hair of those people. So Muhammad was a perfect killer. He was a perfect goon against the civil society. This is why when the Ka'b bin Ashraf tried to expose the Islamic goonism in the name of the Allah and committed by the so-called Prophet Muhammad, he wrote so many poems that Muhammad is not even a good person, even he is just below the character of an ordinary person. Muhammad was annoyed with Ka'b bin Ashraf, and he ordered to kill him with cheating. What was that cheating? He told to his man that you must tell a lie that we are not with Muhammad, because Muhammad is a bad person. Now we are with you. That is Ka'b bin Ashraf. They went towards the palace of the Ka'b bin Ashraf. He was a rich person. He was a good businessman. He was a wealthy businessman, and they came to Ka'b bin Ashraf in the night. His wife Ka'b bin Ashraf told to the Ka'b bin Ashraf that the Muslims are the cheaters according to Islamic theory, because Islam is the group of the cheaters. So she advised him not to go there. But Ka'b bin Ashraf went to meet these Islamic goons, and after meeting the Islamic goons which was sent by Muhammad, told the Ka'b bin Ashraf that we are not with Muhammad now, we are with you. And Ka'b bin Ashraf was under the feeling of these Islamic goons. He was deceived by the Muslims, and these Islamic goons, or the murderer sent by the Muhammad, cut his head after smelling his hair fragrance of the oil, very beautiful, very fragrant oil, because he was a rich person. He had long hairs with the oil of the fragrance, or the fragrance oil, maybe jasmine oil or other fragrance oil, and he they both Islamic goons or the murderer, cut his hair, long hair, and one man, Maslama, cut his head by the sword, and the head of the Ka'b bin Ashraf presented to this Islamic so-called prophet Muhammad bin Abdullah. This incident shows that Muhammad was the cheater also. He was the great liar. He is a pseudo prophet, not he is a sole self-proclaimed prophet. So he is not a Nabi because his character just like a criminal. In the last, I would like to say, please read this book, Lost Paradise Kashmir by Vijay Kumar Pal, which shows that the Islam destructed our Kashmir. Panorama of Democracy in Indian Contest, you can read and purchase these books on the my 10 books you can purchase on the Amazon, Flipkart, or buy the Rudra publication direct Bilaspur, or the Saswat publication or Asita publication Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, as book Blunder of Blasphemy, Lament of Sinjar, Invaders and Hidden Facts, Discriminated Hindus, Venomous Fangs of Cobra, Paranoia of Cults. So many books I have written, and my 2 books are coming very soon in the market. Thank you very much.